includes a lot of things which were discussed here. And even my listing of things may not be complete, but I just wanted us to recognize and remember that when we talk about agriculture, it has many, many dimensions. I think one issue that came up again and again is this need to take an integrated view at the farmer level, because farmers, especially women farmers, are dealing with everything. They're dealing with soils and water and fuel wood and food production and non-food activities, etc. But also as a researcher, I think I realized that there is a huge challenge which is going to have to be dealt with in the future of how do we integrate, how do we have an integrated view at the farming systems level, and there's a long history of research on farming systems, as distinct from the specialized research that is often needed, for instance, on plant breeding, on various other things, that has to be done by people who are highly specialized in certain things. And again, the challenge is to, use that specialized knowledge at the same time have a view of the farmer at the center stage. Again, I think the concept we mentioned of security, not just food security, but nutrition security, health security, fuel wood security, water security, etc., is important. In other words, one of my sociologist colleagues who used to work in the World Bank always used to say that people who work on agriculture often forget the fact that there's a culture of agriculture which is very important, and I wanted to remind us of it. One of the things that came up again and again, which we had mentioned in our presentation, are the issues of subsidiarity, and I'm going to come back to it in the future slides, because the more we, somehow this is not working, I'm afraid. The next slide, please. This is very rigid, huh? It's not moving. Can I have the next slide, please? Okay.